Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you are trying to copy, move, extract or rename a file and Windows shows an error saying file name or path too long, then this video is for you. By default, Windows has a 260 character limit for file paths. When a folder or file name becomes too long, Windows blocks the operation. But the good news is that you can fix this problem in Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how to remove the file path length limit and fix the file name or path too long error permanently. So let's get started. First click on the start button, then click on settings. After that, select system in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click advanced. Under file explorer section, you will find enable long paths. Turn on this one toggle to permanently fix this issue on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. Bye.